Yeah, hello all. So in this season, I'll be showing you quick installation of Django and how to create project and application in Django and how it is useful for us. So I have created a new directory called Django and I have few installation steps. So I'm assuming here that Python you have already installed and 3.5 or 3.6 that is latest version. Install Django. So I have already installed actually. So I have few steps here. So you can get the version using this command. So version is 2.1.4. That is version of Django. Let's check Python version 3.5.2. So let's create a project. This is project. Okay, this is already existing. So let's create Django test. Okay, so this folder is created. Django test. Okay, Django test is already created. So structure is like this. So here is our Django test. Okay, again Django test. Okay, so this structure you can see here. So let's change our directory to Django test and you can see manage.py and okay. So the explanation about all the directory structure. So we are using actually Django test. My site is already existing. So inside, let me this replace all Django test. Place all okay. So now it is comfortable. Manage a command line utility that lets you interact with the Django project in various ways. You can read all the details about manage.py in Django admin. Okay, so these are the explanation about all the files. Okay, so let's start our server. So let's start our server using this command python manage.py. So making sure we have manage.py in this directory. Yeah, correct. This is our URL. You can directly copy to our web browser. So we can see installed work successfully. Congratulations. Okay, let's move to app creation. So these commands are to run this server on different ports. Okay, project versus apps. What's the difference between a project? An app is web application that does something. Weblog system, a database, public records, or a project is a collection of configuration and apps for a particular website. A project can contain multiple apps like we create in Eclipse and NetBeans. So we create a project and we have different applications. So a project can contain different applications. So let's start a app. Let's kill this. Now we'll get the similar structure as we got in the project, that is Django test. These are the file polls views.py. So let's go to this polls views.py. So these files will be there. Okay, now start our server. Browser needs to see the text hello world and not okay polls. So we have given correct. So we have to do some settings for this in urls.django test urls.py. I have to add a line for this. Okay, so I have done 2-3 changes like Django test urls.py should contain this text. So anyways, I'll put all the code in shared link, and then in polls I created views.py. I have put this code, and if the file doesn't exist, just create it and put the code, and I have put this code here, and then I have started the server. So let's see in browser. This is the link hello world. So this hello world you can see in views dot hello world. So this code is printed. So let's see what are the advantage of using Django. So secure SQL injection and other hacking attacks are not possible to like 99% of extent. Scalable, I'll show you later. Python, which is long-term language as compared to PHP and other HTML, CSS, any other language. Python is also used in data science and machine learning, so that is added advantage. You can learn machine learning algorithms also and data science also. So this is Django single architecture containing Django database, media and server in the same system. Here we have just put the database in another component, another system. Here media server is different and database server is different, and Django web server is running on the we can use load balancer. So it is scalable because we can add more components and we can add more load balancers always, so that's why it's scalable. Here also we can see media server cluster, different load balancer. So components are web server, media server and database server. These are the main components of Django. Okay, thank you friend, thanks for watching.